to the video, and in this video, I'm basically going to demo Friend Connector. And if I've talked about Friend Connector on my Facebook profile page, I've talked about it in my on my email list. I've talked about it a little bit about it in my chatbot list as well. And what Friend Connector basically allows you to do is to auto add your ideal client. So right now you can see I'm in a Kartra Facebook group. I'm just using Kartra because I like Kartra or whatever. But the Friend Connector tool allows you, it's an extension by the way, it allows you to auto add anybody with certain keywords in their bio. Because let's just face it, when it comes to adding people on Facebook as friends, it's much easier to close them as a client or to get them as a customer than it is to basically cold email someone or cold message a Facebook page or however you want to put it, or reach out to someone on LinkedIn. It's much easier to close someone on Facebook because they're a Facebook friend. And for some reason, people feel like they're close to you if we're Facebook friends. Like I've literally heard other people uh, say like, hey, like they'll just say something if they know someone, but they don't actually know them. They'll be like, yeah, we're Facebook friends. I have them on Facebook or whatever. So it's like I said, it's much easier to close a client. But I'm just going to demo this. It's going to be really quick. So inside the Kartra group, this is inside the Kartra group, obviously. But if a person takes their business serious, for the most part, they're going to have it in their bio. So they're going to have something like owner, uh, customer support representative at Genesis Dental, Digital. Sorry about that. Web developer at Genesis Digital. So these people take their business seriously. So then you have other people like CEO at Gustin Sun, works at Internet Marketing, researcher in Unhack My Life. And there's more people as you go further along here, like owner, developer. So what Friend Connector basically allows you to do is to pull up this one extension, and you can change the lookup interval. It's automatically set to 5 seconds. I keep it at 5 seconds. You could have your request, how many times you're going to send out a friend request, so auto request someone. uh, you can set it to 500. I've literally added 500 people in literally one day. That's how powerful this tool is, and it bypasses Facebook. Uh, for some reason, it bypasses Facebook. Maybe it's because it's just an extension. But personally, like when I used to add people manually, I would probably only get to like 25 friends before Facebook stops me. I've literally added to 200 people to a day, to 250 people a day, to 500 people a day. I have the screenshot in case you need proof. I'm not bullshitting you. And sorry about my language. It's just, people are skeptical these days about everything. So I'm just going to demo this. As you can see, you can resume from your last search. So this is here. Let's just say, you don't want to add the first couple of people. You could resume from your last search and you could type 10. This index number is just the number that's going to pop up next to the people in the group. And you could type 10 and it'll start at the 10th person or whatever. It's pretty simple. And the most powerful part are the keywords. So for example, in this one, I'm not going to change any of my keywords. But let me see. So these people, let's just go. I'm going to just start it at 3 or whatever. So all you do is type, you don't have to put this in. You could start with no. You could literally click no and just start it. I recommend not adding the admins at all because they're going to think it's weird that you're adding them and then you're going to be mutual friends with a bunch of people in the group. They don't want you. Most admins are not going to, want this type of thing to happen. So I skip the admins. I don't add them simply because there's no reason to. But I'm going to put 3 in here and then I'm going to click run. And as you can see, it started popping up and it's going to search for all these keywords. If they have these keywords in their bio, it's going to add them. So I'm going to just wait till it gets down to Gustin Sun. I don't know what he does. I just know he's an owner. I mean, he's a CEO, so he could probably use my software. So it's pretty simple. Like I said, these index numbers, if you added a group and then pause on Friend Connector, you can literally just keep these numbers there, and then just put the number index right here. So I don't know why it skipped them. Members are common, blah blah blah. I'm not sure why it skipped them or whatever. So let's just wait till we get to Daryl Merrick. So as you see, it's pretty fast, 5 seconds. You don't need to put it up. You don't want to make it faster than 5 seconds. So right here, owner, I have that in the keyword, and it's going to friend request them. So then you're going to get a pop up down here where it says a member request. Um, let's just go. Let's just wait. I'm gonna give you another example. I'm gonna just wait till it goes down here. But as you can see, it's very powerful because okay, it sent this person a company owner. I don't think I have company owner here. Oh, it probably just friended them because they're owner in their bio. But as you can see, this tool is powerful because you don't have to auto add. I mean, you don't have to add each person individually. You don't have to search through all these people. So that's the third person. I'm just going to stop this because I don't want to add anyone in a Kartra group. I want to go to more targeted Facebook groups. But as you see, it's super powerful because you don't have to manually add everyone. You just, let's just say you're going out and you have something to do, and you want to add people who are your ideal clients. Because if they're friends and they're ideal client, just you giving value on your personal profile page or personal profile, they're going to be interested in what you do. I've literally gotten bot subscribers just because people are coming to my profile interested in what I do. So imagine adding, you know, the max friends list on Facebook is 5,000. Imagine adding 5,000 ideal clients on your Facebook page, and you literally on your personal profile. Imagine adding 5,000 friends on your personal profile, and you're constantly giving value to them. They're all in one niche. Uh, yeah, they're all in one niche, and you're constantly giving value on your page. And one person sees, let's just say one person, they become interested in what you do. You get them great results, and you say, okay, here's a case study that I just did with this such and such, and you screenshot the person you worked with, and they comment on your post. You don't think those other 4,999 friends aren't going to comment? Like, they're going to be interested in what you do. They're going to want the results that you just got the other person that's in the same niches, in the same industry. They're going to want those same results. So Friend Connector is very powerful. I'm running a special offer. So it's a sending invoice. So usually I would charge $50 for this for a lifetime. I'm doing a special offer just because somebody told me to do this offer. Where if someone, it starts off at $5, and then for each person who purchases, it goes up to $10. And if another person purchases, it goes up to $15. It raises by $5. It inflates by $5 every time. So the faster you get, the faster you purchase the tool, the cheaper you get it. So I'm probably going to send this out to my email list. I haven't sent this out yet. I'm probably going to send this out to my email list, and that's probably about it. So you should be lucky to be on my email list. For the people who have gotten it, you're going to get access to bonuses, obviously, since you got it before I did this deal. Just message me or whatever on Facebook, and I'll give you, some extra software, free software or whatever. But you can literally get this tool. Like I said, I usually would charge $50 for this tool. You can literally, I think right now you can get it for $15. The cheapest is 15 right now, $15 right now. So you get it for 15, but as soon as someone gets it for 15, if you didn't get it yet, the next person's going to get it for 20, and then 25, and then 30, then 35, and it just keeps going up. So I recommend you get it as soon as possible. Literally, you can change your business. I've had people come to me and buy my software just from using this tool alone. Always having new people check out what I do and whatnot. So that's it for this demo. I hope it gave you some value. I hope I didn't talk too much. And I hope I showed you proof of concept on how it works. Yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed the demo. I hope I showed you proof of concept on how it works, and I hope you honestly get it. I hope you buy my software. I'm gonna just be honest. I'm not the original creator of the software. I partnered with the person who created the software. I'm just being straightforward and transparent because people like to. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm partnered with the person, so if you buy through me, you're purchasing strictly through Silver Fox A Company. You're not buying through the person who made the software. I just want to be straightforward. So you can go over there and you can spend $63 to get it one time, or you can get it for cheap now and get it for cheap now. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys soon if I decide to create another video or demo or any other video that's coming soon. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Talk to you soon.